yourself. It's about creating yourself. You must be wondering why I'm expressing my ideas regarding life. Yes, it's true. 2 years back when I took the decision, and that was a wise decision, and that was all about joining the IITM.
Hi, it's Sushri. I completed my graduation from Ravenshaw University. When I was searching a good path for me in professional life, the first suggestion was BIATM. Today I can proudly say that after joining BIATM, not only in academic section, but I was highly benefited in co-curricular activity. And as well as I can say that I was not a student only, and proudly I can say that I was a SPC member in placement cell, and today working as HR in Vijayanaha Polymers.
Life is not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday.
Hello everyone, I am Sinam Sumandas from Kendrapada. Currently I am placed as Marketing Officer in Ultratech Cement Limited in Surat. Let's have an overview of our student support cell.
Hello, this is Ashutosh Mohanty, and recently I have got placed in C-SWAT. So I am really feeling proud by taking admission here in the IITM college. And now talking about IT lab, this lab has given us a lot of opportunities, both in having fun and learning a lot of things, like professional knowledge in SPSS, advanced Excel courses are also being provided over here. I would also like to say that this lab has been hosting the Counter-Strike game since last 3 years, and not only Counter-Strike but also Business Quiz and also other computer related games have been hosted in this particular lab. So you'll be having a great fun in this lab. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tanvi Pradhan from Bhubaneswar. I have been placed as data researcher in S&P Global Ahmedabad. We are here at our library. Library, a place of brilliance, of insights, of knowledge. Here, we have tons of books, journals, periodicals, books, non-fiction books, academic books, you name it, you have it. Here, students not only read, but also create group presentations, have discussions, not only for extracurricular activities, but also for cultural activities.
Hello, our MBA curriculum is divided into 4 semesters. That is, and there are 4 specializations here: finance, marketing, HR, and operation. Our students are exposed to the corporate world, so academic, corporate interface, special guest lectures, class presentations, special guest lectures are there, and there is also a 45 days of internship to guide the students to the corporate world, and there are 2 to 3 short internships are there.
Hi guys, this is Sophia, and now I'm going to show you a hidden key to success. Wonder what? One of the important key to success is self-confidence, and an important key to self-confidence is preparation. But preparation doesn't only mean to have the technical knowledge and hard skills, but also a hidden part called soft skills. Welcome to the Soft Skills Development Lab called SSD Lab. Rigorous GDPIs along with mock sessions are being held here, boosting up the level of confidence within the students. Not only this, along with these, we are also provided with diversified skill sets starting from communication skills to presentation skills, which not only helps us to have the growth in future and current prospects.
this is Dipti Dixit. I am from Salikpur. Recently, I got the job in C-Square Industry as a management trainee with a package of 4 lakh per annum. Here, I welcome you all to the Kalpatadas Memorial Hall. This is the place in the BIITM where most of the events and activities are done here. It was inaugurated in 2012. In this hall, most of the ceremonies, most of the seminars and events like graduate meet and e-school meet are done in this room.
Hello everyone, I am Dilip Kumar Das, currently pursuing my 4th semester MBA from BIITM Bhubaneswar. Right now I am placed at C-Square Industries Limited as the Executive Management Trainee, and let me take you on a tour to the place where I have given my interviews and got selected in the same. Welcome to the Mind Mart of BIITM.
Sometimes, not most of the time, the kids belongs to the. Can you give examples?
Like Amazon.com. It doesn't give authentic products on health.
Hello everyone, I am Deep Parmaja from Raigada. Recently, I have been placed in ICICI Securities as Relationship Manager. MBA in BIITM has been a great experience for me. Here I got to learn a lot of things apart from career academics. As I have been aspiring my career in financial sector, this college provided me an add-on course like NISM, which enhances my financial knowledge a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Das and I am coming from Jabalpur, which is in Madhya Pradesh. I chose this college for MBA because this college ensures 100% placement support for the passing batch. Talking about myself, I did my internship from Linkpens Calcutta on supply and distribution channel management, and eventually I got 2 offer letters from BIITM, which was first was from Innosource Bombay and second was Jaro Education Mumbai, which had the highest package of 6.6 lakhs per annum.
Hello everybody, this is Ayushman, currently placed in Decathlon Sports India Private Limited. Well, here is the place of our outdoor of our institute. We play badminton over here, evening chit chats, we relax over here, and most of the time we do play. Yes, we do play. Our mentor, guide, and really make us feel very relaxed, and the beautiful breeze of the evening make us relax all through the evening. The guidance of our mentor had make us industry ready. And yes, BIITM is the right institute for the bright career.